Hey dolls, it's Danielle. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of Ipsy. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a subscription for $10 a month. You get to 4 to 5 deluxe beauty size items, sample items, perfume size items, you know, if I can talk today. All of that kind of stuff. So let's get right into it today. So, it always comes with a card. I don't know if you guys can read that, but it says, Beautifully Bohemian by Ipsy. It's a pretty card, I like it. This is the bag. I'm not really a big fan of it, but looks like it'd be a good beach bag or something. The colors are really pretty. So, let's pull out our first item. First item I picked was the Balm Nude. It's like an eyeshadow, I guess. It's a pretty color. I'd get a good use of that. Let's see if I can swatch it here. It's kind of pretty. I like that. I'd use it. Okay, let's go to the next sample. This is Tango Blush by Hikari. I don't know how you pronounce that. I just butchered that. But let's see what it is. Ooh, it's a full size too. That's a pretty color. Let's see. Let's see if you guys can see this color. It's kind of really pigmented. I don't know if I'll wear it, but it's a pretty color for your like cheeks and stuff. Okay, let's go to item number 3. Olive Lips. Excuse my nails, I didn't paint them, so ugh. Not really a fan of the smell. Actually, it doesn't even come out. Oh well. Mika Beauty Cosmetics, or M-I-C-A Beauty Cosmetics. I don't know how you pronounce that, but that's what it is. And this is the color. And it's an eye primer actually. So that will come in handy. It's a very, I don't know if you could see that. It's very kind of hard to get out, but it'll come in handy. And lastly but not least, ooh, a lip gloss by Starlooks. Pretty. Oh gosh. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay, let's see. Let's see here. There we go. Let's see. Kind of smells good. I kind of like the smell. Let's swatch it. See what it looks like. It's a very like gooey. Like it'd be sticky on your lips, so I don't know. It's a pretty color, I guess. So that's that, Starlooks. And that's all I got in my bags. So comment down below and tell me what you guys got in your bags. I'll also leave the link to Ipsy so that way you guys can subscribe to it if you're not already subscribed. It's awesome and you guys, I promise, will love it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.